Welcome back to Bazaar. Now, in today's video, we are going to our booking section. So this is where we are going to see who has inquired about our services and what are we going to do about it. Let's go. So right here is the discovery. So this is where, like, if anybody was searching for a DJ like me, right, they would pop up over here. But right now, we don't got anybody searching for a DJ this late night, so it's all good. Next is the need response tab. This is where I can go through and sort through my inquiries and see whether if we could work with each other. So for example, I'll go into this, right? I can check the details over here. I can check these questions that they've answered and get more information about them. And then this is where I take notes during the call. If I see that I'm available for that date, I've set up a link to where they can book a consultation call with me. If I get on the call and, they say that they can't book me for that date, I click on reject. If we get on a call and they want to go forward with me, I can click on accept. So we're going to go through accept. So I can click the name of the event. I make sure that the information is accurate. I go to the pricing. And I go to the price that we agreed on. I select a contract that I've uploaded as a template. I'll show you more on this later in the video once we get into contract. I can look through the contract and see if this information is accurate. And so now this information is pulled from the inquiry form. So I don't really have to do anything, but just look through and make sure everything's A-okay. And then this is where I sign the contract and send it to them. And now if I go over here where my invoice would be generated, I can pick after the contract is fully signed, sent with contract, or do not auto-generate. This is where I can select a deadline for the signature. And then once I hit send, it sends to them. But we're not going to do that because they ain't answered back yet. Boo-hoo-hoo. So if we go into the booked section, this is where the people who... If we go into the book section, this is where people who have moved forward with me land on. The closed sections are where people who got rejected land on. These are leads from if somebody was to save my profile when they're viewing my business page. I can see them from here. I can update my availability through here. I'm available 80. I can add in my business location, which you can add in the address. If I'm willing to travel, yes, I'm willing to travel anytime and anywhere. You can add your travel fee note if you want. This is optional. Let them know how many days in advance to book you. And then let them know your starting price if need be. And then you can also select out of office. And you can add a block as to like what days you're not available for people to not book you. You can also, once you go here, you can also sort from oldest first to newest, or from newest to oldest. And that's it for the booking section. I'll see you in the next video.